dumpster rental service in Macclenny, Florida. Need a dumpster for your next cleanup or renovation? Look no further than Freedom Dumpsters Plus. We offer a reliable dumpster rental service in Macclenny, Florida, making your project simple and stress-free. From home cleanouts to large construction jobs, Freedom Dumpsters Plus has you covered. Our prompt service and affordable prices ensure you get the best deal. As a veteran-owned business, we take pride in offering exceptional customer service and are committed to helping our community with integrity and reliability. With fast, friendly service, Freedom Dumpsters Plus makes cleanup easy. Call us to schedule your dumpster rental, and we'll handle the rest. Once you're done, we'll pick up the dumpster, no hassle. For the best dumpster rental service in Macclenny, Florida, call us today at 904-892-5362 to get started. Freedom Dumpsters Plus is your trusted partner for dumpster rentals in Macclenny.